Ebi yabigambo byanagamba n'abanyamakuru ahari Gongo Culture Center mu rurembo rwambarra wanyuma yo kweza kwehandikisa izobe ryanyu mwabazi
mbashaba ngo umugumisirize mugiri horere hariho bakandidate bamwe abakubani bendo kurwana ubundo muntu areba Karuuru katariyo asharamu atekamwa kamba yaye ngo abantu barwane batane mitwe Akaruuru nakanya bwanyi
atwatse Rita yagira ngo enkungano zo kuronda Akaruuru nezo mugasho ngo hakuba niziyamba batezi b'Akaruuru okumanya amani ahamwe na no kubasa uko yitsimbere kandi yayongera yashaba abahagizi okutunga obuteka
na tuzaha kadara none ngira ngo nekintu no ahabwo kuba abantu abinji tubagera manifesto obo bunda abantu abinji tubagera byo kugambira abantu benda kubakora asa benda bajumirane benda bagambe bishuba mwene wunkubanyesimbere nawo kwa kubayemerera nanye ndiya hata gambire muranga tkoreki ngo chuba chikatera karamazima gachitangaye
ahashonga z'abashomesa kwatsa hanse bukwato yashaba begesa abamashomo ga atsi ngo bagire okugumisiriza obwo mwebembezi wihanga Yoweri Museveni arukora hanshonga zabo.
But His Excellency has promised that he is going to look into this matter and science teachers will also be dealt with. But it is also important to hear their voices. When you come out with your voices, they are very good and they also add advocacy to what we are already doing to make sure that we attain the intended goal where your salaries will eventually also be raised. And when that is done, we will know that together we have delivered on that.
Yayongera yashobora ahabinte byakozere ebirimo kurwanisa obworo obwari kushagika ebina by'abakyara okushagika amashomero na nebindi.
Omukushomomu harimo ebintu bingi nyeneho project nanye eyinkwasira habana obunda bakuba batari kwebasa munonga okubahwera ahaza fizi hariho okubahwera okwatanisa n'amashomero okombeka gamwe nkazakibona girls primary school mbarra mixed school hariho za Rwebishuru primary school mbarra secondary harimo za churches za Katozo Church of Uganda harimo za Rwemuko primary school harimo za Chitwamba primary Kijenje abona hire tanka
Honere batwatse yayongera yashobora ngo abasize kuyamba abantu ahabyamagara arukorabira umukoreto buyambi ngo kwereze bitanda birwaro na CT scan hahirwarire y'abasalamu
omburinganiza abarema obabantu abindo bureme ha mubiri nabo nkabahereza obugari burukurenga omuri bishatu bona babemba bwenda bayihandikisa babasa okububona omusitomu twine health center 4 emwe konka haita itukugambira twasiya health centers ibiri eyanyakayejo hamwe ne ya municipal.
Rita yasima abantu abo kumushagika hobu yabere nazo mu ishengero kandi yashaba abantu kugumizamu bakamuho bushagiki ahantebe yo munyeshengero mukazi owambarira site hombururu bw'2025 okushitse 2030. Honorable Rita yagumizamu yatandika kuronda Akaruuru hombantu aga gasha kwa Susan aino mukisa ahabwa tayari West ho muri Mbarra.